Hi, I'm Nachiket Murthy from Manifold AI Learning. In today's fast-paced tech landscape, machine learning operations or MLOps is revolutionizing how organizations deploy and manage the AI models. But with this rapid evolution comes complexity. Managing the life cycle of machine learning models can be overwhelming without the right tools and the expertise. I understand the challenges that you face. With over 10 years of experience and having guided more than 100,000 learners, I've seen what it takes to excel in this critical field that is MLOps. That's why I've developed the MLOps Bootcamp at Manifold AI Learning to provide you with a comprehensive hands-on program that bridges the gap between the machine learning and operations. This bootcamp isn't just any other course. It's an intensive, practical program that's designed to equip you with the skills that's required to deploy, monitor, and maintain the machine learning models in an effective manner. From Python programming and Git fundamentals to advanced topics like Docker, GitHub Actions, and continuous monitoring, our curriculum covers every aspect of MLOps. You will gain the practical experience and confidence to implement the cutting-edge solutions. Whether you're looking to advance your career or lead AI projects in your organization or drive operational excellence in your organization, this bootcamp is your pathway to success. Join our community of innovators. Gain the knowledge, the skills, and the confidence to excel in the ever-evolving world of MLOps. Together, we can unlock your potential and shape the future of machine learning operations. So let's embark on this journey and achieve greatness. Be the hero of your own MLOps story. Join the MLOps Bootcamp at Manifold AI Learning. So enroll now, and I look forward to seeing you on our Class 1.